Good morning, students. I am Mrs. Kavita Modi. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 10, Average. What is average and how we will find it? An average of a group of numbers of the same kind is a single number which represent a group. So average is nothing but an equal distribution of the total amount or total number of addends. Or in another words, to find the average of a group of numbers, divide the sum of numbers by the total number of addends. It is easy to calculate. Add up all the numbers, then divide by how many numbers there are. So average is equal to sum of numbers upon total number of addends, and total number of addends is equal to sum of numbers upon average, and sum of numbers is equal to average multiply total number of addends. If you memorize these formulas, you can easily solve the average. Remember, the average lies between the greatest and the least quantity. Average can be calculated only for two or more similar quantities, not for dissimilar quantities. Average of a given number of quantities need not be a value in the given set of quantities. To understand average in a better way, let us solve some question. Question number 1. Find the average of 36, 14, 17, 42, 101 and 36. Write the solution. We know that average is equal to sum of numbers upon total number of addends. First, write the sum of all the given numbers, which is 36 plus 14 plus 17 plus 42 plus 101 plus 36. Then count the total number of addends, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So divide by 6. Now find the sum of all the given numbers, which is 246, and divide by 6. If we divide 246 by 6, we get 41 as average. So average is equal to 41. Let us solve one more question. Question number 2. Find the average of 8 cm, 25 cm, 32 cm and 19 cm. Write the solution. We know that average is equal to sum of numbers upon total number of addends. First, write the sum of all the given numbers, which is 8 cm plus 25 cm plus 32 cm plus 19 cm. Then count the total number of addends, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So divide by 4. Now find the sum of all the given numbers, which is 84 cm, and divide by 4. If we divide 84 cm by 4, we get 21 cm as average. So average is equal to 21 cm. Let us solve one more question. Question number 3. Find the average of 1 upon 10, 2 upon 10, 3 upon 10, 4 upon 10 and 5 upon 10. Write the solution. We know that average is equal to sum of numbers upon total number of addends. First, write the sum of all the given numbers, which is 1 upon 10 plus 2 upon 10 plus 3 upon 10 plus 4 upon 10 plus 5 upon 10. Then count the total number of addends, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So divide by 5. See, these all are fraction number, and in fraction, if all the denominators are same, then we add the numerators. So add all the numerators, which is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 15. So the sum of all the fraction is 15 upon 10 and divide by 5. See, in 15 upon 10, 15 is numerator and 10 is denominator. So write 15 in numerator and write 10 multiplied by 5 in denominator. Now simplify. 15 and 5 both are divisible by 5. So divide. 5 3s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Now we get 3 upon 10, which is not divisible by any other same number. That means it is in a lowest term. So average is equal to 3 upon 10. Let us solve one more question. Question number 4. The ages of 6 children choose for project work are 13 years, 16 years, 14 years, 17 years, 16 years and 14 years respectively. What is the average age of a child in the teen? Write down solution. We know that average is equal to sum of numbers upon total number of addends. First, write the sum of all the ages of 6 children, which is 13 plus 16 plus 14 plus 17 plus 16 plus 14. Then divide by the total number of children, which is 6. Now find the sum, which is 90, and divide by 6. If we divide 90 by 6, we get 15 years. So the average age of a child in the team is 15 years. Let us solve one more question. Question number 5. Sachin scored 98, 25, 105, 62 and 65 runs in 5 matches. What was the average score in a match? Write the solution. We know that average is equal to sum of numbers upon total number of add-ons. First, write the sum of runs scored by Sachin in 5 matches, which is 98 plus 25 plus 105 plus 62 plus 65, and divide by the total number of matches, which is 5. Now find the sum, which is 355, and divide by 5. If we divide 355 by 5, we get 71 runs. So the last statement is Sachin's average score in a match is 71 runs. Let us solve one more question. Question number 6. Rama earned rupees 65, rupees 82, rupees 79, rupees 75, rupees 90 and rupees 83 in 6 days. Find the average earning in a day. Write the solution. We know that average is equal to sum of numbers upon total number of add-ons. First, write the sum of all amount earned by Rama, which is 65 plus 82 plus 79 plus 75 plus 90 plus 83, and divide by the total number of days, which is 6. Now find the sum, which is 474, and divide by 6. If we divide 474 by 6, we get rupees 79 as average. So Rama's average earnings in a day is rupees 79. Let us solve one more question. Question number 7. The temperature of a city in 5 days was 38.5 degrees Celsius, 41.2 degrees Celsius, 46.2 degrees Celsius, 31.4 degrees Celsius and 37.2 degrees Celsius. What was the average daily temperature? Write the solution. We know that average is equal to sum of numbers upon total number of add-ons. First, write the sum of temperatures, which is 38.5 plus 41.2 plus 46.2 plus 31.4 plus 37.2, and divided by the total number of days, which is 5. Now add all the temperatures, which is 194.5 divided by 5. If we divide 194.5 by 5, we get 38.9 degrees Celsius as average. So the average daily temperature is 38.9 degrees Celsius. Let us solve one more question. Question number 8. Bharat scored following marks in 6 subjects: English 88, Hindi 64, Sanskrit 89, Maths 96, Science 87 and Social Science 80. Find his average score in a subject. Write the solution. We know that average is equal to sum of numbers upon total number of add-ons. First, write the sum of marks in 6 subjects, which is 88 plus 64 plus 89 plus 96 plus 87 plus 80, and divided by the total number of subjects, which is 6. Now add all the marks, which is 504 divided by 6. If we divide 504 by 6, we get 84 marks as average. So Bharat average score in a subject is 84 marks. Let us solve one more question. Question number 9. The heights of 4 members of a family are 1 meter 60 centimeter, 1 meter 50 centimeter, 1 meter 10 centimeter and 1 meter 16 centimeter respectively. Find the average height of one member of the family. Write the solution. We know that average is equal to sum of numbers upon total number of add-ons. First, write the sum of the heights. In place of 1 meter 60 centimeter, we have to write 1.60, because if we convert 1 meter 60 centimeter into decimal, we get 1.60 centimeter. So write 1.60 plus 1.50 plus 1.10 plus 1.16 and divide by the total number of family members, which is 4. Now do the addition. We get 5.36 divided by 4. If we divide 5.36 by 4, we get 1.34. That means 1 meter 34 centimeter. So the average height of one member of the family is 1 meter 34 centimeter. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.